to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys my honest review on this eyeshadow palette, and it's from Box of Crayons. So if you are interested, please make sure you stay tuned to this video. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you press that subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. Anyways, I have seen this palette all over YouTube. Also, I have seen it on wish.com, which is not the real one, but sooner or later I'm gonna go ahead and purchase that one also, so I can see the difference between the real one and also a replica of this same palette. Anyways, guys, I just want to show you what it came in. This is the box that it came in. I'm just gonna flash that real quick because it has my address on it, and this is the inside of that box. As you can tell, it says a crayon case, and it tells you the website that it came from. This is the wrapper, extra wrapper that it came in. Also, the crayon case, it has all over this. And then inside, it has a thank you card, and it tells us that they're social and to follow them on their favorite social media sites, which is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And it says it's finally okay to color outside of the lines. And this is what it looked like, which is awesome. Anyways, I just want to show you guys what it came in. Also, this palette came inside of this box. I know some people do not like to see the packaging, but me, myself, like I said, I am a visual person and I like to see everything. So, moving on, it comes with more wrapping. And I'm happy about it. I'm happy that it comes in extra wrapping because, you know, if you drop eyeshadow, then you know your eyeshadow is going to be everywhere. You don't want eyeshadow falling all over the place. It's just tacky. Anyways, this is what it looks like, guys. A box of crayons is what it is. Anyways, guys, I'm going to open it up for you guys. And you see that mirror? It comes with a big old mirror. You can't miss it. And it comes with this film over it. And it comes with all these colors. So it's about 18 colors in total. And it ranges from blue, green, red, yellow, black, brown, orange, violet, baby blue, purple, pink, tan, magenta, white, silver, gold, deep plum, and lime green. That's the palette, guys. And I paid $30 for this palette, and it was $9, approximately $9 for shipping and handling. So in total, I paid $38.99. So that's the price, guys. So I want to go ahead and see how pigmented these colors are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these colors and I'm gonna put it on my forearm so you guys can see. I'm gonna start with the blue one, and I'm gonna start up here. That's what it looks like. And it's not that pigmented. Very dense. Look like a crayon. That's what it is. I'm not gonna put all these colors on here. I'm just gonna try a few. I'm gonna try this other blue. Now that one's kind of bright. I don't have an issue with that one. I actually like this one. Let's see, what else should we try? I'm gonna go ahead and try my favorite color. That's purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and try purple. It's not that bad. Let's see. Let's try magenta. Oh, that was very pigmented. I like that. What should we try next? You want to try gold? Let's try gold. Oh, I like that. It's a little bit mixed in with the purple and pink. But that's what it looks like. And I'm not gonna try the regular colors because they don't show up too good. So basically the ones that have like glitter in them, they're the most pigmented. And if you don't believe me, I'm just gonna do one just to show you what it looks like. Let's see. Like yellow. Let's try yellow. See that? It's kind of dull looking and stuff. Anyways, guys, that is just the palette. Like I said, it comes with 18 colors, and that's what you get for your 30 bucks. I want to try to do a makeup look with this. I'm not very good at eyeshadow. I usually don't wear eyeshadow, so just bear with me. So, first, let me put that back down. Let's get some concealer. And that's too dark, but we just gonna go with it anyways. We're gonna go with it. And I'm just gonna put that all over my eyelid, just for a base. Cause I wanna try this palette out and see what its potential is. So from these colors, I think I'm gonna try maybe this magenta color, and maybe this yellow color. So let's get started. I'm gonna try this tan color right here, and I'm just gonna put it in my crease. No, that's not bad at all. Go ahead and put that on the other eye. Now that that's done, I'm gonna take another brush and I'm going to go in with, I guess, the magenta color on the outside. So we're gonna go ahead and try that and put that on the outside. Now I think this is probably the best color in this palette. Oh, that is nice. Let's move on. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with, I don't know, let's see, blue? Let's see, let's try blue. The blue with glitter in it. And I'm just gonna put that here. Again, that's not very pigmented, so I'm gonna do the gold because that one was not pigmented. So let's try the gold. And then I'm gonna go back in with the first brush I had, and I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna get some more of that pink because I wiped too much off. Not bad. That's really not that bad. Again, I wasn't trying to do a whole face today. I was just trying to try these colors out and see if they are blendable, see if they're worth the money. $30 for a palette. I'm not so sure. Like I said, some of the colors are dull, and the only ones that really show up that well are the ones that have glitter in it. As you can tell, like this blue one, this gold one, magenta, and the orange shows up. That's yellow, and you can barely see it. So guys, overall, this palette is okay. I don't know if it's worth $30, but it's okay. But I just want to see what all the hype was about, and now that I see it, I am done, guys. So if you like this video, please make sure you press the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you feel. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please place them below. And again, guys, thanks for watching.